Hello, this is Renee again, and tonight I am making barbecued chicken for dinner. It's one of my son's favorites. I just took some frozen chicken and I put some seasoning on it. I will show you the seasoning that I did. The seasoning that I used is New Orleans style Blazing Blends. It's right here. It's really good seasoning that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then my barbecue chicken is right here. That's what it basically looks like. And I put barbecue sauce on it, and then it gets baked for a while. And tonight it took longer because it was frozen, but it's really yummy. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Bye.